So what are these chakras actually? See, we are all made up of light. Most of you are from spiritual background and you all know that we are all made up of light. What is this light? There is a sun, and we all know that earth is a part of sun. We have believed this, and we know this, that earth is part of sun. Earth has come out from the sun, right? And this human body is part of the earth. That is, earth is our mother, and for earth the sun is the mother or father, whatever you call. So from sun, earth, and from earth this human body. Okay. And sun means, what is it? It is just a light. It is just a ball of energy which is emitting light, which is emitting out the energy. That energy comes to us in form of a light. Light, the plain light or white light, we all know that when it is, passed through a prism, it breaks into 7 colors, 7 different colors, and we have all learned this in our schools. Vibgyor. The 7 colors of the light is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Right? So these are the 7 colors. The same light, single light, which breaks down into 7 different colors. What does it mean? What is light? Light is nothing but some vibration. A particular vibration of a light creates particular color. Correct? So the wavelength of red color is the grossest or the highest or the thickest one. The next orange is little thinner than that. The next yellow is little thinner than that. The next green is more thinner than that, and this is how it goes. So the wavelength of that color varies. The same white light divides into 7 and becomes 7 colors. Each color has its own wavelength, its own vibration. That means it is vibrating at certain frequency. And we are all made up of that energy, that light. Okay. So in our system also, the same white light, that single light, gets divided into 7 parts, and all the 7 colors or the 7 vibrations are vibrating within us only. The base, the lowest vibration we call Mooladhara chakra. The highest vibration we call Sahasrara chakra. Okay. And we also have a dormant energy in the Mooladhara chakra, and we'll speak in detail about that also, Kundalini energy, maybe the last day. So these 7 colors are vibrating at certain different frequency within our body, and these 7 colors are where they are vibrating. That particular color forms a particular chakra, and this is how the colors are given to the chakras. Okay. So these 7 colors are nothing but 7 chakras or 7 vibratory levels within our system, within our body. And we also have heard that there are 7 vibratory levels in this universe also. Sapta Lokas we have heard about. The Sapta Lokas, 7 Lokas are there. Earth, Bhur, Bhu, Swaha, Swarg, Meherlok, Janlok, Tapalok, and Satyaloka. These are nothing but different vibratory levels again within the system. Yatha Brahmande, Tatha Pinde. This is what the Upanishad says. How the whole universe is created, the same thing is happening within this system also. So everything is there within us only. Nothing is outside. So these 7 lokas are also within us only. By activating these chakras or by rising our Kundalini energy up, what does it mean? It just means that we are rising our overall vibrations up. Okay? So to rise the vibrations up, what we need is, we need to cleanse the channel. We need to cleanse the chakras, or we need to cleanse the path through which the energy flows. Okay? Now, we have 5 bodies. Again, we'll speak in detail tomorrow about this. In this 5 body, the second body is Pranamaya Kosha. In that Pranamaya Kosha, we have 72,000 nadis and 114 chakras, out of which 7 are the major chakras, and those are the 7 chakras we are going to focus on. Okay. So where these chakras are located in the physical body? They are located in our spine. the backbone, okay, from Muladhara to Sahasrara Chakra.